this illustration it is given a light rope supporting 4 monkeys. You can follow the diagram. These are the 4 monkey 1 15 kg, monkey 2 25 kg, monkey 3 20 kg, monkey 4 40 kg, and the accelerations of the monkeys are given. Monkey 1 upward direction 1 meter per second square, and monkey 2 downward direction and 3 meter per second square, and this monkey is at rest, okay, and this monkey is moving in downward direction with constant velocity, okay. And here we need to find the force of ceiling on the rope. This is the question, okay. So let us do one thing. Let us make the diagram to the next page. Let us select these 4 monkey as a system, and if we select these 4 monkey as a system, so this is our system, and in this system we can observe we have one gravitation force, capital Mg. Capital Mg is the total mass of the monkeys multiplied by g, and one more external force acting on the system, that is a tension force, that will be the upward direction. These are the external force acting on the system, okay. And now we know second law, Newton's second law, is applicable for system of the particle. So here we can write F external equal to capital M multiplication ACM. Let us consider ACM is in downward direction. So let us write equation for the center of mass, second law for the center of mass, right? Now let us find the ACM value. Capital M is the mass of the 4 monkeys. So ACM we can write M1A1 plus M2A2 plus M3A3 plus M4A4 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4, okay. Now this monkey, first monkey 15 kg and 1 meter per second square upward. Let us consider upward direction is positive, okay. And this second monkey 25 kg and 3 meter per second square downward, so this is -3. This monkey is at rest, so this A3 equal to 0, and this monkey is also traveling downward direction with a constant velocity. That means this acceleration is also equal to 0. So let us add the masses and substitute the value of the acceleration like this. If we solve this, and this will be 0, and this is 15, and this is 75 negative, and this is 15 plus 25 40 40 80 and 100. So this is the final expression. 0 and 0 will get cancelled, so this is 6 by 10 or 3 divided by 5 we can write, but in the downward direction. Now we can apply Newton's second law for the system of the particle. We can write F net equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Again we are using, and net force, because acceleration of the center of mass in the downward direction, so here we can write net force, that is capital Mg minus T equal to M multiplied by A. A is the acceleration of the center of mass, okay. Now we can substitute capital M equal to 100, okay, and T we need to find. Capital M is again 100, and ACM we have calculated, that is equal to 0.6. So let us calculate the value of T. T is equal to 1000 minus this is 60, so it is 940 Newton. This is the tension force, and this tension force is also force applied by the support on the rope.